Welcome to a short demonstration of our Pro Conservatory Designer. This is still the Dutch version, so the English version still has to be developed. But I wanted to give you a short impression of our possibilities at this moment. By clicking the left mouse button, you can rotate. By clicking the right mouse button, you can pan camera up and down. And by using the mouse wheel in the middle, you can scroll and zoom in and out. All right, now I'm going to click next, selecting a color, and let's see, I'll start with something a little bit. Something like this. Yes. Click next, and the next thing that happens, I get my 2D floor plan. Now I got my measurements, and the first thing that happens here is I've got my floor area. We call it floor area, but actually the area with the walls in it. And the second layer, which we can adjust, is the roof area. As you can see also on the background, it immediately moves to where we want it. So I'm first going back to the floor area, and I'm gonna change my conservatory to the size that I want to make it. So 480 centimeters by 4 meters is about the size that I want. I can add some different points with different shapes. Something maybe a little bit realistic would be something like this. There we go. Now I want it a bit shorter. How about something like this? All right. Let's have a look. Come back to the roof area. I'm going to change my roof accordingly. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Here I can also adjust the height of my conservatory. I'll just keep it at 240. All right. Now this is what we've just made. This is the shape without any windows, without anything on the roof, without furniture. I can select here a couple of things. The 6 icons on the top are windows and doors. The 3 below are different types of domes for the roof. Every square little square is 10 by 10 centimeters, and every big square is 1 by 1 meter. This way you can also always get a sense of scale. I don't want this dome, so I'm taking it, doing it away, removing this one, and I'm gonna adjust this to the size that I would about like. I'm going for something like this. Then putting it a little bit in the middle. Yes, there we go. That's what I want. Then let's have a look at my different windows. I can select different types of windows. This is a plain window, just no extras. If I want to change my window, I can select here. This means boven means up, middle, midden means middle, and onder means below. So on the top side, I want to add a division, and now you can see here the type of division I've selected. Below, I want, for example, a wall or a panel. In this case, I'll select a wall. All right. I'm going to add this window here. Can make it as wide as I want. It automatically adjusts the scale, but I could also choose to make 2 subdivisions of 2 meters, for example, depending on what you can actually fabricate. There we go. On the front side, I'll add another. Let's see. I'll add a panel. Oh, sorry, I've added a panel in the middle. That's not the best idea. I'll put this one here. Just the size. And how about here? I'm just gonna remove the panel. Put in this window there. Okay, so I have 3 types of windows on the front. 2 windows there, and I'll add a door here. Let's see. I'm gonna make it a 4-sided door. I have enough room. I'm gonna take the entire width, 4 meters. Let's have a look how that looks when I open up the doors. Yes. So, all right, then I'm going to prepare this for adding it against the house on the back side, which means I'm going to remove this and add in the middle some brick. This is a bit cheating because this is actually a 4-sided door completely made out of brick. But this might be an actual realistic transfer to the house, which is already there. Of course, you can also add anything you want there, actually. Okay, so this is the conservatory I want. Now, when I go to the next step, I get 3 more options. I should get 3 more options. Let's have a look. Where are they? Yes. I can add some posts, and I want to add them. I have to take the little part where they actually the bottom of the post I have to take, and then I can, yes, this is about what I want. Now I want to change this. Just about here. Yes. Right. Then I'm adding a table, some chairs. In the future, you'll be able to rotate the chairs, of course, rotate the domes on the roof, rotate the sofa. Let's have a look. Is this about what we want? There we go. Okay. Let's zoom in a little bit. Panning. And this is how my conservatory looks like on the inside. A lot of changes are still being done. A lot of developments are being added. Now you can save this conservatory, add the information you want, click submit, and the next step would be you get a link then, which you can send to your customer, and your customer can open it on a smartphone